아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 점생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나
May usapan yata silang agad. O hindi eh. Agad ko na tayo ng extra chair kasi dadating. Waking kami ka namin. Masarap na yun yung pagkainin. Dalisan mo.
Ang tagal nung nakatindi sa Marsada. Okay, tulog pala. Wah. Ano madaling matulog.
It's so early in the morning and I don't want to run, but I gotta run. Hey guys, so I finished my run and it's a little later now. I'm just gonna eat my breakfast and I'll probably start doing my readings and other assignments. So yeah, I had a productive morning, so that's a great start. Also, I'm trying to move a lot recently. Like I'm trying to do any activity I can so I won't be stagnant or I won't have a completely sedentary lifestyle. And I would say I'm doing pretty good. I've been quite consistent with working out, so that's great. It's a small win for me and I'm really proud of myself. Hey guys, I'm just gonna do my makeup before I go to school. It's gonna be a light makeup and I'll be at school until like 8 p.m. It's really annoying, but I'm gonna attend class. Also, I have so much money in here, like coins. I'm gonna transfer these coins to my coin purse, my wallet from Celine CLN. So pretty. First, sunscreen. Got the makeup bag. I actually have a separate makeup bag, but I don't know where it is. Good thing, like all the products I usually use are in here. So, oh, this one is broken. Just gonna use this Coral Punch, this one, to color correct. I know I should buy like a proper color corrector for my under eyes, but like this does the job anyway. And then concealer from Issey & Co. I have a love-hate relationship with this concealer because honestly the concealer itself is great, but like the packaging, always broken. Like always broken. And it leaks, you know? That's why I hate this. But I think they have a new packaging, so that might be better. But this one, no. Puzzle Me setting spray. Caroline Oil Control Blush On. This is really pigmented, so like you have to be careful using this. And I don't usually use this. Ooh. It's just that the blush I usually use ran out, and I haven't bought another one. I wish you guys could see, but like I censor my face so you guys can't really see how much product is in here already with just one dab. By the way, regarding like face reveal, I'm not planning on doing one. I don't know, maybe in the future, but like right now, that never crossed my mind to like do a face reveal or something. I wish I could like show you guys my makeup, but like I can't. But that's okay. Then I'll curl my lashes because my permed lashes already went down. I'm just gonna use this Etude Dr. Mascara Fixer in Super Long Lash. And then I'll use this Human Nature Lip Butter, Lip Balm, and Green Apple Mint, and this Baron Bliss Perfect Lip Tint, the shade Fairy Tale. Okay. Makeup is done. I'm going to school. I have a love-hate relationship with my schedule because I love how I don't have to get up super early and like take a bath that's what I hate the most when it comes to morning classes. At the same time, my classes start so late that I'm getting really lazy. And I don't want to attend my classes anymore because my classes starts in the afternoon and ends late at night. So yeah, but we just have to get through the semester.
아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 이 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들